If you're looking for Christmas kids ideas, here's a collection you've got to see. The Christmas Shop. Top Christmas kids ideas, gifts ideas. Number 1, by Twister.CK. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2, by Donaneora. Number 3, by KOMVOX. For more great Christmas kids gift ideas and deals, click this circle. Number 4, by TravelNut. Number 5, by Tuiy. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 6, by BeeGreen. Number 7, by Active Life. Discover more Christmas kids ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 8, by Golden Books Staff. Number 9, by Learing. The top Christmas kids ideas gifts ideas were collected from the most trusted online retailers like Amazon and Best Buy. Number 10, by Drawstring.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.